How to update Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer or laptop. So first you want to right click on the start button and then open up the settings menu. Now you want to go to update and security, click on it, and then click on Windows Update on the left side, and then click on check for updates button. And it should take a while checking for the latest updates. Now if there is any updates, it should start downloading them automatically, as you can see right here. And if you are in Windows 10 like I am right now, it should suggest you to basically update to Windows 11. Now, once the update is complete, it should ask you to restart your system. So after restarting your system, the updates should be installed on your computer. You can also view optional updates from here by expanding this and check any relevant update that you need to install for your specific devices, which basically driver updates, installs driver updates for your devices. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.